If I was
Hey,
you.
that boy.
Look at that. Manny is pretty muscular. Y'all talk about some he be twirling.
What's up?
Hold on,
What's
y'all.
up?
Where is the Manianas?
You should just go and drop. You're not even in it.
He probably beat all y'all at wait, Manny, please. Manny, that wasn't
Now, if I wanted to get on behind Manny and make Manny win, Manny will win.
Oh no, wait. So Alex is it? Oh God, let me read it. Hold on, let me read these cash out messages.
But Manny doing too much shit that Manny.
Hold on, cash out message says.
Teabagged us.
Hold on, y'all. Cash out message says it's Women's Month. Turn Chastity up, chat. Y'all, hold on.
Why Manny look like that dude?
Man, why you arching like that?
Hold on, y'all. Cash out message says tell Baba to turn the camera on and lick his lips. Lord have mercy.
Y'all love some babs. Lord have mercy.
They love some babs. They really do. I wish.
It sounds like you want to see him too.
Babs turn his camera on.
I know, because now I need to know.
Babs turn his camera.
That's the problem.
God damn.
In the universe.
Oh my God.
These fucking woman time today.
Oh shit! The Manianas just kicked in. Oh yo, Manny is the first.
Oh, they said the gift box.
Hold on.
Manny just got a universe.
What is he doing?
What time?
Money.
Hey man, he didn't got the community over here, man.
What you got going on, man?
He got the community over here. They going ham, man. They going ham right now.
Shit, y'all, Manny.
Man, Manny is
During Women's History Month. Y'all got me sitting on 22.
Hey, Manny look like that dude that saying "This is America."
Big brain.
Don't feel bad, Alex.
Big brain. You can't big brain that one, baby. Stand down.
Hold on, wait a second. You got 1.7. Oh shit, Tiffany!
Oh
my God! Are you serious? Oh my God!
Oh,
Damn.
Shut the
That's
hell
what I'm
up!
talking about, Chess.
Chastity about to catch up. Oh,
that was I like that.
Chastity, the Chastities is on the Maniana's ass. I'm scared. The Chastity
I ain't playing by Chess.
asses. I'm scared.
Baby,
Who gonna be the first one to hit 200K then?
Oh, Chastity.
Who gonna be the first one to hit 200K?
Manny done had to go inside. He done tired of
Wait a minute. Hold on. The robbers is coming back. The robbers is coming back.
They charging.